How to open Synchrony Bank account online. First thing you do is open up any web browser, and on the search bar, you just have to search for Synchrony Bank account, hit enter. Now click on the first link that you see, synchrony.com. You'll be taken directly to the official website of the bank where you can easily log into your account or create a new one if you want. And once you land on this website, all you have to do is click on the sign in option at the top right corner. And then from here, you can select what you want to sign into. You want to sign into your credit cards, your Synchrony Bank, or your MasterCard. Click on the ones that you want to sign into. Now, in order to log into your account, you could just go ahead and simply enter your username. Once you have entered your username, simply enter your password up. And if you want the browser to remember your username and password, click on Remember Username, and then click on Sign In. And in case you've forgotten your password, you can click on Forgot Username or Password right here to recover either of those. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.